In this video, we are going over the Base64 function I wrote to encode/decode either strings or files into or from a Base64 format. Base64 is a binary to text encoding scheme that represents binary data in an AC string format. It can be used to obfuscate your payloads to get them past your target's antivirus, or just to simplify your payload you're trying to execute via keystroke injection with Ducky script. So let's get into how to use this function. First off, there are 4 different variations of the syntax. We have the options to either encode or decode a string directly, and additionally, we can either encode or decode the contents of a file. For the following examples, we are just going to use a simple one-liner to start Notepad. Let's start off by copying and pasting the function into the Powershell window and run it. Now, let's use the encode string syntax to convert the start Notepad command into Base64. Notice the output is given to you right in the Powershell window. You can just copy it from there, or additionally, we can just rerun the command, but this time we will pipe it into the clipboard automatically. To see that it works, we will use the Powershell encode command to run the Base64 formatted version of the command. If this was done properly, it should still just open up Notepad. And as you see, we were successful. Now, let's look at decoding it back to plain text. I'll paste the output we got into the decode string variation of the syntax. Let's take this new snippet and paste it into the Powershell window. Upon running it, if it returns the string start Notepad, then we've done it successfully. Now that you know how to encode or decode strings, let me quickly show you how to use this function on files as well. As you see here on the desktop, I have a plain text file. If we open it up, you will see our start Notepad command. We'll close out of here and right-click on the file and click Copy as Path. I will go ahead and paste this path into the encode file variation of our syntax. We'll grab this new snippet and paste it in the Powershell window and run it. We will then get the Base64 output, so we were successful. Going back to our desktop, we also have a Base64 text file, and upon opening it, we will see an encoded command. Let's exit out of here, and now right-click on that file and select Copy as Path. We'll paste this path in the decode file variation of our syntax, then take this new snippet and copy and paste it into the Powershell window and run it. If we did this correctly, we should have the string start Notepad returned to us. And let's go, we did it. I'm really proud of how far you've made it. You should definitely check out some of the other functions in my PowerShell for Hackers repository. If they are helpful, leave a star. Leave a like on this video, and subscribe to see more content like this. I am Jakoby. My crime is that of curiosity. And yeah, curiosity killed the cat, but satisfaction brought it back. Till next time.